Hey guys, today we are showing you an easy way to make chopped eggs without having to peel the eggs in our electric pressure cooker.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun. That could get you in a lot of trouble if you were me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my camper kitchen.
Hello.
Today we are here to show you a super neat trick that you can do in your electric pressure cooker.
And you can find it on recipes.crock.com.
You can also do it in your crock pot. We have a crock pot version that we will also link down below. So if you don't have an electric pressure cooker, you can do it this way. But today we are going to do this in our Foodi to show you a trick. So around the holidays, and then also
What they do. Let me
yeah.
show you a trick.
Around the holidays and around anytime you're doing potlucks or pitch-ins and those kinds of things, you oftentimes are making egg salad or potato salad or some kind of salad that requires boiled eggs. Boiled eggs that have been chopped up. And so that can be a little bit of a pain because that means you need to boil the eggs and then you need to peel the eggs.
And peeling eggs is no fun.
No. So what we are going to do is we are going to show you a quick way to make a batch of boiled eggs in an electric pressure cooker that you can just dump out and chop. And so in order for these to dump out, what you're going to need a couple things. Either in your Foodi, Instant Pot, Crock Pot Express, all of them have come with some sort of rack or something that goes down in the bottom. So we want to put that down in the bottom. And then we want an oven-safe bowl that you could put in the oven and bake something if you wanted to. A lot of people use Anchor Hocking or Pyrex. So we have an Anchor Hocking bowl here. And what Mikey's going to do is he's going to take lard and he's going to rub the inside of the bowl so that the eggs don't stick.
Just gonna grease it. You could use lard, you could use butter, bacon grease.
Oh, you could even use cooking spray. Just make sure you get a lot on there because the eggs will tend to stick if you don't.
She says you're gonna get the messy part of this.
Yes.
Well, let me show you something my mama taught me.
Oh.
Take a clean paper towel, wipe a little bit of the lard on top of the paper towel. Like so.
Apologize to Kim.
Apologize to Kim for wasting yet another paper towel. I'm putting this one to good use.
In the meantime, we're going to dump about a cup of water down into the bottom of the pan to help. That's going to help the pressure cooker come to pressure. If you are using something bigger than a 6-quart, 6.5 quart, you may want to add a cup and a half of liquid. And so he's got this nice and greased. We're gonna put this down.
No mess, except for this one paper towel, Kim.
So we're gonna put this down in the Foodi, and I'm gonna show you really quickly what this looks like. So we've got the rack, the water's under the rack, and then we've got the bowl. And now all that's left to do is we are going to take 8 eggs
and break them
and crack them and just put them in the bowl.
This is gonna take a little bit, so. Especially, you know, I'm getting real good at a lot of things. One of them is not cracking eggs. Like one-handed, I think Gordon Ramsay can do it. Alton Brown can do it.
Well, I'm going to shut this right now and help you. So we're going to go ahead and crack all these eggs.
Make sure you don't get any shells in there.
Nope. And you want to just leave them whole. You don't want to scramble them because we want to mimic what hard-boiled eggs will look like chopped up into a dish. 6.
7. Oops. Well, about made a mess with that one. And 8.
And 8.
And look at that. None of them.
Yep.
Got messed up.
Okay.
I'll clean up this mess.
So what we're going to do now, very quickly,
I'll go this way.
is we're going to put the pressure cooker lid on. And, oops, we're going to put it on the wrong way because that's what I do. Okay, we're going to set this to seal. We're going to put it under high pressure for 5 minutes. It's going to take time to come up to pressure, cook for 5 minutes, and then we're going to let it naturally release for 5 minutes, and then we're going to pop it over and let the rest of the pressure off. So we will see you
in 3, 2, 1.
And we're back.
I let her snap us back in.
He's criticizing my snapping skills.
Well, it's got to be fast, like a snap.
Alright,
hey, guess
so
what? We've got something excellent to show you right now.
Woo! Hello.
Oh my,
it is
let me
steamy.
take that. Yes, it is. And it's not just because we're here, baby.
So, oh my goodness, are you alright?
Would you quit laughing at me when I hit stuff with me?
So, we have a very, very, very hot bowl inside our pressure cooker.
I think she's not telling that just to you. I think she's telling that to me and telling me maybe I should grab something before I grab the bowl.
Well,
so we got some things.
I have these. Yes. Ooh.
Oh, there we go.
They still have the tag on them.
They're brand spanking new.
I'm going to transfer it over
here.
here.
Oh, you're going to do it.
I think so.
Okay.
There's something inside. Oh, it's the thingy.
You look like a lobster.
I'm your lobster.
Aw. Anybody, friends reference. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm going to try.
Let me get the knife out of the way.
And get this out. You got to be very careful doing this. Now, hopefully,
it looks like it because of that lard, it's already separated.
Yes.
Can we do this?
So run a knife. Don't touch it, but run a knife around it to make it easier.
How many times?
I think that's fine.
Oh, well,
okay.
We'll stop.
So now all we're gonna do is we are going to.
It looks like it'll be a little bit of water in there. Oh, look at that! Ta-da!
Now
you can't see that, but
well then that's not as impressive as
it looks like that. Oh, watch out, because that could get you in a lot of trouble if you were me. Ooh, and it's hot too.
Put that down there.
Okay.
So now I think you actually want to put your knife in that.
Something slid off of my finger. That's okay. Oh.
What?
Did you see that? She almost hit me in the head with that. Oh my gosh!
Okay, so now I'm going to use this to show you guys how easy all of a sudden it is. Just chop it all up. It's like a bunch of chopped eggs. So we're just
that's
gonna.
Kind of what it is. Look at that! Look at that!
And it's perfectly done.
Yeah.
If you like them a little bit more done, you could let them set there for just a little bit longer. I don't know that I'd cook them longer.
Hot, man.
But that's exactly how I like my eggs.
Yep. Oh, that's
nice
gonna go
creamy.
good in an egg salad.
Yep.
Maybe
that's
a
what
tuna
we're making.
salad, a chicken salad.
We're making egg salad.
We're gonna make egg salad.
We
do like egg salad. A little bit of lettuce.
It's steaming up the camera, so.
Again, you sure that's the camera? Or is that us?
Oh
wow, it's really a super simple way, and that was done in.
Yep, it took a few minutes to get up to pressure, cooked for 5 minutes, and then we let it set for 5 minutes, and then all of a sudden.
Perfect. Look at that.
Yep. Now you could serve this with salad, like if you were going to do a salad bar. This makes for yummy salads.
That's an easy way to do it, just for breakfast.
Yeah, you could have them for breakfast
with bacon.
You could have it. You could use it to make egg salad, tuna salad, chicken salad, all kinds of stuff. Potato salad.
With bacon. Like a loaded potato salad.
But that's our quick and easy way for Foodie Friday this week. What do you think? Could you stop? I want to make egg salad with this. If you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you are not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to subscribe and become a part of our crock potting family around here. If you'd like notified every time we upload another video, we'd love for you to click the ding-a-ling, that's that bell down below. But whatever you do,
laugh often.
Eat good food.
Speak life.
Bye, guys.
No yoke. Bye.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon.